So this is a torque wrench. If you haven't used one before, it's a little intimidating, but it's manageable. So you can see the units over here is Newton meters, and then on the other side is foot pounds. The specification for the tires is 140 Newton meters. So we're gonna turn this Newton meters is if you see the it's 104 here, and it's 124. We want to get to 140. So because we can go up to 124, and then the next thing is 145. So we get to you get as close as you can to 140, which is going to give us 124. So at 0, this is 0. 0 lines up with 124, but we want to get to 140. Now the next level up is 145. So if you count from 124, that's 0. You add 10 to it, will be 130. So right now we're at, from 124, we add 10, it's going to be 134. We want to get to 140. So 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. We are up at 140. So this is the torque that you're going to use to tighten this wheel. So if you torque it to 140, you're good. And the way the torque wrench works, when you get to that torque, you hear that click. It means you have the right number. And these wheels, they want you to tighten them at angles. So you realize I went across and across. And this one is the one that uses a special tool. So I had to use that special tool to tighten that one. I'm sorry. I had to put this on top of that. So that's how you use that. And all right. So we're all tight. That's how you do the specification for the wheels. If you don't have one of these, try to get one. I have 3 different sets based on the range of torque that I need to put in. And also remember, when you use this, don't leave it at the high torque. Bring it back to 0 because this thing's use springs, and if you put it on like 140, the spring is compressed. You don't want to store it with the spring compressed, so you bring it back to 0 every time you use it. For high precision work, you're supposed to calibrate them, but it's not that serious. So all right, so this comes to the conclusion of our project. I hope you enjoyed it, and I surely did.
Bye.
Bye.